going on here? Recent studies have observed plants responding to threats, like this caterpillar eating the leaf of an Arabidopsis mustard plant. The green wave is calcium rippling through the plant, which is believed to act as a signal to activate chemical or physical defense mechanisms like stress hormones that deter the pests. This video was captured in botany professor Simon Gilroy's laboratory at the University of Wisconsin. Professor Gilroy researches plant cell signaling like we see here and other fascinating topics. I wrote him to ask permission to include this clip and showed him my video to see if he thought the Senecio might be signaling a threat like the Arabidopsis observation. He kindly replied the next day. That is super interesting. There is some research showing plant-wide leaf movements in response to herbivory on a single leaf, but those things are a bit slower, many minutes, than your movie. And absolutely use our movies, that would be awesome. Thank you, Professor Gilroy, you are awesome. So I don't think the Senecio movement we can see as a sign of signaling, as with the professor's Arabidopsis. Maybe it's a physical response, like when a Mimosa pudica touch-me-not is touched, or maybe a movement of the leaf's fluids as the mealybug bites and sucks from the plant. I really don't know, but whatever is happening, it is definitely super interesting and another reminder of how much we still have to learn from the wonderful world of plants. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this Sucs For You short, and if I find any other answers to what's happening here, I will post them on my channel's community page. So be sure to subscribe and make sure you're getting notifications so that you see when I do post to that page. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week.